Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, my drone came in the mail. Yay! What's it? Sticker for good toning. Alright. Let's take it. I already opened it because I wanted to make sure it was my drone. There it is. It's heavy. DJI Spark Fly More combo. I got the Fly More combo because that came with the bag, the controller, it came with everything, and it was more worth it. So yeah, unboxing knife. Let's open it. Okay. Everything that's it is. Okay. This is what's in the box. So the top is this is the drone itself. This is the drone itself in like this kind of cool carrying case. This over here is all the paperwork, manuals and stuff. Holy shoot, look at how much there is. Oh my god, you got your Spark Fly More combo, you got your Spark, you got your... Oh my god, this is like a mini dictionary talking about your drone. Disclaimer, safety guidelines, battery and safety, quick start guide, remote control guide, battery charging hub, propeller guards, quick start guide, and DJI cap. You got your own library with your drone. Big library. And then also in here I also got the carrying case. Whoa, this is nice. The carrying case is nice. So nice. Whoa. It's heavy inside because we got most of the accessories in here. Some gel things. Don't eat this. Just throw them away like this. Throw them away. You can't have that. Okay. This is the propeller guards. We get one set of these with propeller guards. We got the charging cable, the wall adapter, I mean, to I think the charging dock. Oh, here is the controller. This is cool. It has some weight to it. Got some weight to it. Pretty cool. How do you slide this open? I never owned a DJI drone before. How do you open it? Oh, like this. That's actually pretty cool. It's actually very comfortable. And then this opens like this. Opens like this. That's pretty cool. I like it. Nice. And it folds up. That remote control actually feels bigger than I watched videos about. Actually, yeah. What else is in the bag? Just the cable itself. I'll just leave that there. Oh, you got yourself the micro USB and the charging dock in the front. That's for like leaving at home. Like you can put this in your house and then you can charge your batteries in your house. And this is like for your drone. You can like automatically plug in your drone and plug it into a battery pack. So yeah, move that aside and check out the drone itself. Oh my god, this is amazing. Another gel, throw that out. We got the what are these? Oh, extra propellers. That's actually pretty cool. We got the drone itself. Whoa. This is actually small. Oh my god. This is actually small. On YouTube, it actually looks bigger. It's actually small. You got the gimbal. You should always take this off. And this is the battery. You slide it out to take it out. You get 2 batteries. With the battery, it's heavy. Without, it's pretty heavy also. Yeah. You got an extra battery. You get 2 batteries. Okay. And then this goes in on the dock itself, like this. Like that. And then you plug it into the wall. What's that on? I don't know. You get 2 batteries and then you have to pay for the third one. I don't know why, but you have to. So yeah, it's cool you get an extra battery. So does this drone fit in if you carry it? It probably might have, see if you can. So yeah, that is the video, me unboxing my DJI drone, Spark drone. I'll make another video setting this up because I think I need to charge this. I don't think it has battery. Yeah, I don't think it has battery because it says charge the battery for the first time to activate it. Yeah. So yeah, I'll charge it up and then make a separate video about the drone. So yeah, if you enjoyed the great, and also this is the back is where you can charge the drone automatically. If you don't want to take the battery out yourself, you can also charge it somehow. But yeah, right there. See? You put the SD card and then SD card goes there, micro USB goes there. And yeah, pretty cool. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and comment below what kind of videos I should do with my new drone, or comment anything. So yeah, thanks for watching and peace out.